COVID-19 altered plans for half of the party leaders, with both the NDP and Green leaders testing positive for the virus. But that didn't stop any of them from promising what they'd do if elected as Ontario's next premier. The NDP and Green Party leaders each started their respective campaign stops today with a health update after both tested positive for COVID-19.
I feel like I have something. I feel like I have a bit of a bug, headache and sore throat. Not really bad though. I've been taking Tylenol and that kind of takes the fever down.
Feeling fine, and we're going to make the adjustments we need to continue building the momentum our campaign has right now.
Both Horwath and Schreiner say they'll campaign remotely until they test negative. Their diagnosis prompted the PC and Liberal leaders to check on their own health and their opponents.
And this morning, I did reach out to both Ms. Horwath and Mr. Schreiner. I called them both, left them both voicemails, letting them know that I hope they're doing okay.
I got tested today and I tested negative just out of abundance of caution. But I encourage everyone to continue to follow the protocols.
Once the pleasantries were done, though, the leaders went back to making promises. Doug Ford was in Niagara today, re-announcing plans to build another Garden City Skyway.
Massive rehabilitation, including a full deck replacement, further expanding its capacity and improving the driving experience for commuters. Once complete, the new bridge will carry Toronto-bound traffic, and the upgraded existing bridge will carry Niagara-bound traffic.
Speaking of traffic, with gas prices and seemingly everything else getting more expensive, affordability was top of mind for Liberals and NDP.
Come July 1st, an Ontario Liberal government would reduce the gas tax by 5.7 cents per litre and the fuel tax by 5.3 cents per litre.
Get the gouging, stop the gouging, and bring some stability to the gas prices in Ontario. And we know that that's something that's done in other jurisdictions, and people need to be able to be sure of the gas pricing.
Meanwhile, as the PCs look to build more highways and bridges, the Green Party want to put a freeze on that.
The moratorium on new and expanded gravel mining applications. We need a moratorium in place until we fully understand exactly how much gravel and aggregate Ontario actually needs.
Both Liberal leader Stephen Del DUCA and PC leader Doug Ford says they'll continue to follow protocols since they were both close contacts with positive cases.